You know how the vibe go, man. Today's a Monday morning. We gotta set everything back. You know what I'm saying? Doing a little cleaning quick. Start the week in a fresh, clean. You know the vibe, man. You know, after a whole weekend vibing, kicking in, work, whatever, man. Now it's just time to just make sure clean everything back. We just start a fresh week, clean week. You get what I'm saying? Make sure the colon stay clean too. You know what I'm saying? You gotta clean the mirror, man. I just see me step in the bed to clean the mirror. You see how I set up this mirror? Bro, it's a movie when I'm standing back, when I'm doing my thing, man. Now this is the time to put the fan on, man. Make the room cool. You feel me? Put the TV on, man. I just see me. I'm almost done. This is time to about to turn it up. Turn the light off. Make the room a little cozy. I just see me. I'm done right now. I'm popping up my dance right now. Make sure guys like, comment, subscribe.